Hey there, it's your friendly neighborhood and I'm so excited to welcome you to our brand new kids YouTube channel. Enjoy!
The animals love singing songs, but they're very sleepy. Do you want to wake them up?
Wow! Truly extraordinary. Now let's learn the alphabet. You are so great. Now let's sing a song again.
Animals love singing, but they're very sleepy. Would you like to wake them up? She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure of learning and discovery. We hope you had fun and learned something new today. Remember to keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep growing your curious minds. See you next time on cat_tune, the place where learning is always fun. Bye bye.